Hey guys, I am going to be working on the Moby sweater today, okay? I am starting the front panels. Here is a little reminder showing of what my back panel looks like. Oh my gosh, this is so light! Oh, I love this. As you guys know, I'm obsessed with these cables. The double moss stitch is so... Wait, if this is double moss stitch, is there a regular moss stitch? Never thought about that. Or is that just the name? Anyway, this little trellis mock cable section is so freaking cool. And I love the fact that it's literally the exact size that it needs to be before you split for the sleeves if you're doing like a top-down raglan or like a circular yoke, I guess. So this is reassuring me that I did this correctly. Okay, but now I'm going to start the front panels, and yesterday I was so confused. If you saw that like toward the end of my previous video, you'll know I was so confused when it came to the left and the front panels, especially the chart, because I was really focusing on the chart and not really the instructions, because I thought, you know, the instructions said do the left shoulder. I'm like, okay, cool, but I didn't read the minute details, so it threw me off. But now I am confident going into this. I need to watch the video on how to pick up the stitches. I don't know if there needs to be a certain way, but I guess if I want it to be like very seamless, I'm not, listen, y'all know I see knitting as art, okay? If it's not seamless, I do not care, but I will try to make it as seamless as possible so that I can get that satisfaction of like, oh my gosh, I'm a magician. I just did that. Anyway, let's start picking up for the front panels. Guys, I just finished doing the left panel. That was so much quicker than I expected. I tried to get the transition as nice as possible between the front and the back. I did an alright job. I don't really care, honestly. I'm gonna be completely honest. I don't care. So I am loving how this is turning out. I'm very excited for the next part. Oh, this is so cool. Oh my god. And look at this. It's like reaching for the other side. It's waiting for the right panel. Let's get it. Okay, it's literally like an hour later and I already finished, I'd say like an hour, maybe an hour. I don't know. It's not longer, it's not that much longer than from when I showed you the the left panel. Now I'm done with the second panel. Now looking at it, obviously it wouldn't have taken that long, but still. I already finished the first two panels. Also, whenever it says like, oh, cut the yarn and put it in like put the stitches on hold, I always just use a 32-inch circular, so all I have to do is just pick up stitches here without using new cords. So it's all, okay, my headphones. It's all on one cord without me having to do anything. So now when I start knitting across, it's going to be super easy, and I'm going to be joining the left and the right. All right, I joined in the round. No, I did not. I joined the front panels together, and oh my gosh, it's so freaking easy. I'm about to finish one of the charts, like the chart that I've been on for the left front and the right front, and then, you know, a little bit of after, and then there's another chart with the rest of the front chart, with the rest of the the rows for the front panel. So that will be very easy to do, and it's gonna go until, I think it'll be a little longer than the back. I think that's what I read, but either way, I'm gonna finish that chart. I want to do that tomorrow. It will be a lot of knitting, but I think I can do it. But for now, I'm going to sleep. No, I'm not. For now, I'm going to read and then sleep. So, see you guys tomorrow. Okay, I'm finally starting knitting, okay? Starting to knit. I was literally editing the entire day. It's currently 5:30 p.m. Let's try to get most of the front done. I was knitting and I'm on a row. I'm knitting in rows. I'm on a row where I had to start like branching these X's out, and I was doing it. I'm like, this doesn't look right. And I think, oh, I was like, this doesn't look right. And then I caught myself because right here on the right side, I was just knitting stockinette, and I was like, oh shoot. I just started, we're watching videos, and I just started dissociating and started knitting stockinette, and I was like, oh no, I'm supposed to be doing the little trellis faux cable, mock cable section. And I was like, okay, I started doing the mock cable, and I was like, this doesn't look right. Like, it doesn't feel right. Like, it just, when you have done this so many times at this point, you know how the chart is supposed to go. And I'm like, this does not look right. And I was like, I wonder, because we do this every other row. I wonder if I knit, so I'm on row 7. I'm like, did I knit row 5 of this in just plain stockinette? So now I'm frogging, or tinking back slowly 2 rows to see if I did indeed do that, because I'm not gonna continue and then it just looks wrong on that section, you know? So we're gonna see. Alrighty guys, it has been a few days now, okay? I've been working on this on and off, but I finally finished the front panel. Dude, this looks so good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. The color looks amazing. I can't believe how good this looks. Okay, I do have an annoyance, all right? Because when we were working on the back panel and we got to the charts where each section is broken up into a different chart. So we have this section, then we have the middle section, and then we have the other section. So let's say right, left, middle, okay? 3 separate charts after we finish the big charts. Now, the instructions for the back, it says, let me get to it so I'm actually speaking facts, okay? Also, I'm wearing my poppy tee today. It feels so comfortable. It's a cooler day, so I was like, oh my gosh, this will be so perfect. Anyway, so for the back, right? The back yoke, once we put everything together, it says work certain stitches in double moss stitch, work according to the left cable chart, then the mock cable chart. So left, mock, which is the middle. So left, middle, and then right. Cool, cool, cool. Because the left has a certain cable and then the right has a certain cable. Okay, so remember left, middle, right. Now, when we get to the front, it says the same thing. But it is indeed not the same thing, okay? So for the front, it says work the double moss stitch, then the left cable, then the middle, and then a right cable chart. Let's go back to the back and make sure it says the same thing. Double moss stitch, left, mock, right. Left, mock, right. Right, left, mock, right. Wrong, 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 okay? Because on the back, this was, we started with the left cable and the right cable, even though this is on the right side and this is on the left side. Cool. But the front, okay, remember, this is the left cable. This is now the left cable, okay? And this is now the right cable. Remember, flipped, it was the opposite. But the instructions still say, work the left, the muck, and then the right. But that is incorrect, because I was knitting, right? And I was like, this is the right leaning cable. Why would I work the left one? Like, the left chart gives me the left leaning cable. And I'm like, why would I do that? That doesn't make sense. And I was just so confused. Okay? I was like, maybe I read the instructions incorrectly. Maybe it's flipped and I just didn't realize. I read it again. No. Like, I could still be tripping, but basically I have to reverse everything. I have to do the right cable chart first, then the middle cable, and then the left cable. And I'm like, I'm gonna have to remember that from the back, for the back, I have to do the same thing. Because look, this is the left, and it goes up, continuing the left cable. And I'm just like, why is that instruction just copied and pasted and we're not? What's going on? Anyway, it wasn't too confusing because, like, I know how, for me, I know how to knit. I know how to read my stitches, so I know, like, what I would need to do. But the fact that I even had to hesitate, because I was like, okay, let me follow the instructions as it says it to see if I'm tripping. And I'm like, this cable will be incorrect. So yeah, I had to do that. That was the only annoying thing. But other than that, it's been so easy. I'm now going to join the body together, but I'm going to do that in another video because I feel like the body is going to take 10,000 years because this is how long the sweater is right now, right? I'm about to join the yoke together and knit the body. Ah! Oh my Lord, oh my Lord. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you had that trouble too, let me know, because sometimes I just feel like I'm tripping and I'm like, is this actually wrong? Or am I just like going crazy and not really understanding? So yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next one. Bye.